So for today's video, we are going to compare the Anki and Lazy, which is the two tools aimed at helping you remember more effectively. So first, Anki is the go-to tool for spaced repetition learning, and its pros are it is customizable. Also, it is a open source, and the best of it is it works offline. The cons of Anki is the graphic user interface is outdated and requires effort to customize. While in Lazy, it is a minimalist tool designed for ease of use. So the pros of it is simple interface, a user-friendly experience, and effective for casual learning. While its cons are lack of advanced features as well as its customization options. So in comparison, use Anki if you need advanced spaced repetition tools and use Lazy if you prefer simplicity and ease of use. In conclusion, for deep learning with customization, just go and pick for Anki. For casual learning, choose Lazy.